Diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder characterized by increased blood glucose level associated with other manifestations. What is the meaning of diabetic? Diabetes means is a large volume of urine passed. Then what is the meaning of mellitus? Mellitus means sweet. As we know, one of the symptoms of diabetes mellitus is that is a polyuria. That means excess amount of urine pass out. Then some of the urine may contain the sugar, so there is a condition is called as a glycosuria. In diabetes mellitus, the blood glucose level exceeds the normal renal threshold, that is 180 per 100 ml, then glucose found in urine. Here there is a diabetes mellitus is the condition that may occur due to the deficiency of an insulin. We have learned that is what is the function of the insulin. Insulin is the hormone which is secreted by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans in pancreas. This deficiency or destruction of beta cells that may lead to this diabetes mellitus. In the diabetes mellitus is the condition that may occur any time of age. Here diabetes are classified as two types mainly. There is a type 1 diabetes or insulin dependent diabetes mellitus or juvenile onset type. Second one is a type 2, that is maturity onset type or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. First one, that is a type 1 diabetes mellitus or juvenile type of diabetes mellitus. Here it occurs due to that is a deficiency of a insulin because of the destruction of the beta cells in the islets of Langerhans. Here this type of the diabetes occurs before the age of the 20 years. That is juvenile onset type diabetes mellitus. Then second one is the type 2 or maturity onset type or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. This type of diabetes mainly occurs at the age of 40 years. It is occurs due to that is insulin resistance. Then here in this condition, insulin secretion will be normal, but there is a resistance towards the insulin receptor, because usually insulin action is produced, insulin is bind with an insulin receptors. Okay, so sometimes there is a deficiency of the release of insulin from the beta cells also. There is a reason behind the type 2 there is or maturity onset of diabetes mellitus. Here these are the two important diabetes mellitus. Now the symptoms of diabetes mellitus. There is a polyuria is a symptom. Then polyuria means increased urine output. Then glycosuria means it is the presence of the sugar in the urine. Then sometimes the weight loss is also there. Then there is polydipsia, there is increased thirst. There is a thirst. There is a thirst is increased. Then ketosis. Ketosis means it is a metabolic state characterized by the elevated level of the ketone bodies in urine or blood. Okay. Then the ketonuria is especially the ketone bodies are like a acetone, acetoacetate, beta hydroxybutyric acids are found in the urine. That is the ketonuria is there. And then acidosis is also another condition. Acidosis is there. So these are the important symptoms of diabetes mellitus. Here the another condition is hypoglycemia. Already we discussed about how the blood sugar level is increased. The condition is diabetes mellitus. but sometimes there is a blood sugar level is decreased. That condition is called as a hypoglycemia or hyperinsulinemia. Okay, so hyperinsulinism. Okay, that is the condition where the blood sugar level is below the normal. Usually that is the normal limit of the RBS sugar value is 80 to 120 milligram per 100 ml, but sometimes that is the sugar level is fall below the 50 milligram per 100 ml. So this condition is called as a hypoglycemia. This occurs that means that is occurs due to the some over dosage of the hypoglycemic agents, some drugs, there is overdose of the insulin injection, some of the cancerous condition of the there is a beta cell, there is insulinoma is a tumors of the beta cells that may sometime in this condition some insulin, large amount of insulin is produced. That is nothing but the hyperinsulinism is that is it refers to the above the normal level of insulin in the blood is called as this condition is called as a hyperinsulinism. Sometimes hyperinsulinism that is also lead to the hypoglycemia. In the hypoglycemia, the major symptoms like convulsion, sometimes drowsiness that may occur in the hypoglycemia. Now we discuss about what is hypoglycemia and there is a hyperglycemia. Okay, thank you for watching this video.